Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Claude app refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. This shows you exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Tap offload app on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the app but keeps the documents and data. Also check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden storage hogs. Once you've freed up at least 1 or 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and then search for Claude and try installing it again or updating it again. If the error proceeds even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stock storage cache. So all you gotta do is free up storage in iPhone storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. Claude installs and updates cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.